Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Nenu మీ మిస్టర్ అద్దెకారి. Today I am going to present you a small app that is online earning app. It's a genuine app. The payment proof is at the end of the video. Don't miss it. It's a genuine app. You can see the screenshots, the money I have received to Paytm, or you can withdraw the money through your Paytm number or UPI ID. In this app you will get daily rewards through which you can play the game. For the already user you will get the like this rewards. For the first user the rewards will be in the form of daily. You can see in the here 5 rupees, 8 rupees, 3 rupees, so you will get till like this 50 rupees, and then after that you will get the spin daily rewards. Don't skip the video, watch till the end. You will get more information about this game. If you are interested in this game, you can just go and download the app. I will provide the link in the description box. Go and download it and have a good earning. Here are so many tournaments in which you have to take part, like 3 rupees. If you bet 3 rupees you will get 5 rupees, the first prize, and even the second prize is there, and third prize is also even. So here are different tournaments you can see in the screen itself. So it's your wish which you want to, but don't waste. I prefer you to go with 2 rupees and 5 rupees. It's enough, the first one and the third one. Yeah, 2 are better. So starting the game. The game is very easy. In this game we don't expect whether we will win or not. It may change in the last second. This game totally depends on our skill, like how we are moving our coins. But no cheating is there in this game. You can see it depends on us how we are playing. So the minimum withdrawal is rupees 10. Okay. First to collect every rewards, at least first we need to deposit 15 rupees. Yes, 15 rupees, but I am sure that more you will get. If you deposit 15 rupees you will get more than that. Sure, more, it's double you will get. That is 15 means you will get 30 rupees. If you are interested you can go and know. Otherwise don't select Telangana state and other restricted areas while doing the sign up. Just go to the states which are available while doing the sign up. For doing withdraw your winnings you need to add at least once. That means you have to deposit at one time. Just if you deposit one time, then your lifelong will be no need to deposit. Just go through the rewards and collect it and play with that and earn money and convert into winnings and withdraw it. Just enough. But you need to add first deposit, that is 15 rupees, to get more benefits in this game. I will share one trick that use different numbers to get sign up and get 50 rupees collected and convert them into your winnings and win them. Okay, this is a loot. But my suggestion is that don't waste your time on this playing every time. Just play once or twice, that's enough, and collect the rewards and play the game. And be cautious not to share everything. Just simply you can give the wrong details also, but to withdraw you can give your Paytm number or UPI ID. Just ID, not any other information, just UPI ID you can available if you have any Paytm or Phone Pay or Google Pay. But it is important, it's more preferred to give Paytm UPI ID or Paytm number. Follow the game rules to get more chances to win. Okay, they will be giving the rules. You can go through them, or if you play once you can understand what are the rules in this game.
For the first withdraw, the minimum withdrawal is 10 rupees, and the next from that it will be 25 rupees.
Now I am going to show how I withdrawn my money. Just click on the withdrawn button as shown in the screen and enter your money which is available in the winnings, and then click on the next button, and then whether you have to prefer which Paytm number or UPI ID. Then click on that. You will within 2 10 seconds you will get the message you can see here. I have received so early. So what are you waiting for? Just go and download the app. The link is provided in the description box, and get the 50 rupees bonus and then convert into your winnings. Have a nice day.